Welcome to the next tutorial in our report tools and report parts series. Today I'm going to be looking at working with graphics. As you know that sometimes can't deliver an intelligible message without the use of a picture or a diagram. Sometimes in reports you just simply need to use a visual element. If you use a visual element, you should also caption it and refer to it in text, and that's why when we put in pictures or graphics in a report, we should also caption them. So I'm in a new Word document. When I make or add graphics to a report, I prefer to add them in a table so that as the report is edited, the objects don't or the pictures and the captions don't end up getting separated, they stay together. I always put my picture in the top row of the table and my caption in the bottom row. So I am going to insert a picture here. I just use a piece of clip art. And it's as simple as copying and pasting the graphic in, or using the buttons on the insert menu to put in a picture or whatever other thing you wish to use. As far as inserting the caption is concerned, click in the box where you would like it, or in the row where you would like the caption to go. Go to the References tab and click Insert Caption. For generic captions, I would suggest that you use figure. For tables, obviously you would use table. Equation, you would use equations. So I'm going to leave this one as a label as a figure, and I'm going to give it a caption as in my plant, and click OK. And I find that the captions usually fall below the box, so I just drag and drop them back in neatly into the bottom row and clean up the row. So I've got the label in there, and I'd like to set my table now so that the text aligns around it. There's a table handle up in the corner here. If you right click it, you can get table properties, and you can set your text wrapping as around and OK. You could have also gone through and done that from your table tools, and somewhere in this area there will also be a alignment button that you could push. I think my screen might be too narrow to show that right now. And then I'd like to resize my table so that it neatly fits the graphic. And then the last thing I would do is go to the Home tab and change the borders to no border, and that would make the table invisible in the document. So if I put in some text here, you can see that the text will flow around the graphic. And I'll just use the random text function to do that. And if I shift my table, you can see the text flows around the table. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and have yourself a good day.